Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. And in today's video, we are going to spill the tea on the Green Beauty for Us quarterly subscription box. And I mean, literally, spill the tea. It is that time of year again. It is the fourth installment of the Green Beauty for Us quarterly subscription box. Keisha started this earlier this year. A year ago, we had the winter box, we had the spring box, we had the summer box, and now we're up to the fall box. Just in time for cuffing season. Yes, you guys, it's cuffing season ready and cuffing season approved. So basically what I'm going to do is, before I do anything, if you guys are new to the video, new to me, hi, I'm Kai Journey, new to the Green Beauty for Us quarterly subscription box, what it is a curated box, curated by my friend Keisha Adinkra. She sends Green Beauty holistic wellness products every quarter. It is a subscription box quarterly. You get it every quarter. You get Green Beauty makeup products that work for our skin tones. You can also get holistic products. You can get wellness products. It ranges from makeup to sometimes like teas and bath products and skincare products. Oh, it's just a slew of different things that is just will holistically benefit you. Like, you know, like Palo Santo sticks and crystals. It's a lot of different things. So it's a surprise each quarter and you never know what you're going to get. For more information about the box, I will leave the link right below in the description box for you guys to check it out. And now let's get into this quarter's box. Let's see what we got. So the first thing you guys will be getting in the box, like I said, we are spilling the tea, and that's because you guys will be getting tea in the box. This is the tea via Herbal Tea, and this is the ginger tea blend, and that's what I am casually sipping on right now. Just enjoy. Oh God, it is so good. You guys will get. I'm sorry, it's good. It's so good. Okay, the ginger tea blend. The good thing is, oh, it smells, you know what it smells like? When you open it, I'm not sure if you guys know, there's this candy, right? It's like a ginger candy, but it also have like it's really trashy. How do I say it trashy in English, not patois? There's this ginger candy that I used to eat in Jamaica, and as you eat it, it's not a smooth texture. It has like it has like flakes and like lots of pieces of the ginger in it, and it has like, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but it smells just like that. So good, so good. But each tea comes individually wrapped in its own little tea bag, so it's easy for you to make in the morning. I'll show you just like how I made my tea just now. And it comes in a resealable bag, so you just seal it up when you're done, stash it away, and it keeps it fresh. See, there we go. Boom. See, take another sip. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And with that, you know, the true Jamaican that I am, I have my coaster. All my Jamaicans right now, raise your hand. If you have this Jamaican coaster in your house, raise your hand, because it's not a Jamaican house if you don't have this coaster. Let me show it to y'all. Y'all don't know nothing about this coaster. Like, all Jamaicans have this coaster in their house. So you will get the ginger tea just in time for cupping season. So when you call Bay over, when you call that crush over, when you call that, you know, you can have some tea brewing ready to go, you know, ready to go. Next in the box, Green Beauty for Us brand product. This is the Relaxing Bath Salt. So like I said, it's for cuffing season. So you know what you can do with the bath salts, right? I'm going to set the mood for you. I'm going to set the mood. So you call them over. You say, hey, you know, what's going on? You know, you want to come over, whatever, you know, whatever. So yes, they're coming over. You put on the little kettle. You get the tea running, you break out the ginger tea bag, and mind you, it's really cold outside, really chilly. It's not winter yet, it's like fall, like it's really chilly out. So that nipped air, like, you know, so the windows are cracked a little bit. You get the tea going, tea is made, you get the bath running, throw the bath salts inside, and the bath salts, so I'm gonna stop for now to go over the bath salt, and I'll continue to set the scene. The bath salts are made with pink Himalayan salt. And the good thing is, it comes in a resealable container as well, resealable bag. Ooh, it smells. It's a good scent, but it's has kind of like it's not bad. It's like a slight masculine cologne scent to it, but it's still a relaxing scent. What scent is it? Oh my gosh, I could definitely smell like eucalyptus. It's a very relaxing scent. Oh my god, this scent, you guys, is extraordinary. All right, we're up to the scene again. Pour this in the bath water run, and let the steam come out. So pour this in the bath. Right. Next in the box, this is the Aja National. Wait, I'm sorry, Aja. I'm sorry. This is the Aja The Aja Naturals Almond Spice Whipped Body Butter. Put it open. Smell it for the first time. Ready? Ooh, this is spicy. Oh, this is good. This has a sweet scent to it. It's spicy, but it smells like when you're baking in the fall. It's like a nice fall bread. That's what it smells like to me. It's a very nice pastry sweet scent, but it's not overly powering sweet. But it's like a fall with the spices and the nutmeg and the cinnamon and the brown sugar. Yeah, it smells like you're baking nice fall bread. Yeah, let's try it. Ooh, she is smooth. Let's see. And it just melts into the skin. Do you see that? Oh, this piece more. It just melts into the skin. Oh, just really good, you guys. Really good. All right. Next, you also get Aja Naturals Almond Cream Body Scrub. Same scent, same scent. You get the almond cream sugar scrub, and you get the almond spice whipped body butter. Now I'm back to setting the scene again. So let's start from the beginning. You got the tea running. You got the tea brewing, you're drinking your tea. The bath running, you pour the bath salts in there. You're soaking. While you're in the bath, you break out the body scrub, and you just scrub and exfoliate your entire body. Make sure it's smooth, okay? Make sure it is smooth. So you exfoliate the entire body. You come out the bath, you pat yourself dry, and then you just whip up. You slide and you glide on the whipped body butter. Get your skin glistening. Get it smelling right. Get it smooth. Just get it ready, optimal, like in a glow level. Just ready for whoever's coming over, you know? That's how you're gonna put these two together. And then, right, the person comes over, you'll hang out, have a good time. But that's not the end, because we have more in the box. So, boom, next morning now, you wake up. So you wake up, you say, you know what? Let me make some tea. You make the tea again. This is the next morning. You get your tea, and you're sipping your tea. You're thinking about the night before, and your edges got snatched. So you know what you do? You break out your... I'm so silly, y'all. I'm so silly and extra. Oh, but I love it, and y'all love it. You break out your happy edges from Natural Annie Essentials. This is infused with nutrients, with herbs to just get them edges growing back right. So if the night before snatched your edges, now it's time to bring it back. The Happy Edges from Natural Annie Essentials is a hair growth essential blend of rosemary, cedarwood, and lavender. It is used basically to help you grow back your hairline, eyebrows if you want to, because y'all know I have struggle brows. This right here takes a lot to draw on. It smells, you could definitely smell the rosemary in this, and you just, get them edges back. How do I think of these things? Like what goes through my mind sometimes? Anyway, and we're not done yet. You think your edges are snatched, but your nails, honey, your nails, your cuticles were also snatched. So, bam. We also have the Natural Luxe Herbal Infused Nail Elixir. So basically the next day, the second half of the box is dedicated to the next day. You're sitting at home in your robe, just thinking about the night before, relaxed, just laid back like this. You're sipping your tea. You're like, it's so good. You're making sure your edges are intact. And then you also just make sure your nails are good because you gotta make sure. And that is the experience the Green Beauty for Us fall cuffing season box will give you. Now, if you want that entire experience, honey, just click the link in the description box. No, but for real though, you guys, I know I was joking, I set the whole scene, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it and didn't take it too, you know, serious and literal. You know, we're here to have fun. But seriously, you guys, all these products in the box are exceptional. They're made with natural, clean ingredients. They're healthy for you. They're healthy for your skin. They will get you right for cuffing season if that is what you want to use it for. But if not, just to have such great products for the fall, whether you want to take a bath to relax, get your skin nice and smooth, and get rid of the dead skin with the body scrub. And the tea is fantastic. Ooh, see? Honey child, the tea is really, really good. So all of these are just the perfect, even if you want to give it as a gift, you know, you can buy the box and hold on to it and give it to a friend as a gift because the holiday seasons are coming up as well, and before you know it, it is like right there. So this box is just a perfect gift to give someone, or even for yourself if you just want to pamper yourself, because like I said, fall time is a time where you just stay home, relax, get all cozy, and do all the pampering stuff. I promise you guys, this box will definitely fulfill all your pampering needs or cuffing needs if that's what you're gonna use it for. The boxes will ship October 7th, so order your box soon. They do sell out fast, you guys. And you guys know this. They do sell out fast. She does not overextend and make a lot of boxes. It's a very small quantity, just so that she spends enough time to actually curate each box to make it as special as possible. Like I said, I mean, it's a no-brainer. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the box so far. Will you be getting the box? What is the favorite product in the box so far? And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I especially thank you guys for putting up with me and my crazy personality. You know, I appreciate you guys letting me be me. Just being me for who I am. I'm just can't be anybody else. Just appreciating me for being me. Also, I forget, when you guys get the box, make sure all your Instagram posts, all your YouTube videos, all your Twitter posts, all your Snapchat posts, tag hashtag Green Beauty for Us. Therefore, Keisha can repost your images as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow the Green Beauty for Us Instagram page. I'll leave all the information below. Alright, we're done now. We're done, pal. Alright. Bye, you guys. Have a fantastic day and enjoy cuffing season. Bye.